Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best inflatable pool is probably one of the most sought-after items for anyone looking to create their own backyard oasis, especially for adults seeking a comfortable and convenient way to cool off during hot summer days, offering a refreshing escape without the hassle of traditional pool installations, making it an ideal choice for relaxation and fun right at home. Number 5. INTEX 58484 EP Swim Center Family Pool. Get ready for instant water fun. Simply spread it out, inflate the chambers, and add water. It's that easy to start your summer enjoyment. This spacious pool measures 10 feet by 6 feet and is 22 inches deep. It holds up to 277 gallons, offering the ideal spot to cool off and have a blast. Constructed with durable 12-gauge vinyl walls, it's designed to withstand all your summer activities. A repair patch is included for any unexpected nicks or tears. Setting up and taking down is a breeze thanks to the 3 air chambers and combo air valves. A convenient drain plug makes emptying the water quick and easy. For over 50 years, we've been committed to the highest safety and quality standards. Enjoy innovative, affordable products built to create lasting memories. What we like? This pool is incredibly easy to set up, making it perfect for spontaneous summer fun. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand plenty of play. If you're looking for a straightforward and reliable option for family enjoyment in your backyard, this is a great choice. What people say. The pool is very sturdy and holds its shape well. The seats are comfortable and provide good support. It's easy to set up and take down, which is great for occasional use. Number 4. SWIMLINE Suntan Tub Series Classic Inflatable Lounge. Introducing the SWIMLINE Suntan Tub Series Classic. It's designed for ultimate comfort, allowing you to relax for hours under the sun. Fill it with water to create your personal cool oasis. The clear top design helps keep you refreshed while you soak up the sun. Enjoy added stability with integrated grab lines. You can easily maneuver it or tie it to other inflatables for group fun. Crafted from heavy-duty, UV-resistant vinyl, this lounger is built to last. It's also easy to clean, inflate, deflate, and store away. Experience superior comfort with the integrated, removable headrest. It provides extra support for extended relaxation sessions. Measuring 70 by 46 by 8 inches, it offers ample space for you to stretch out and enjoy your tanning time. What we like? This lounger is designed for ultimate personal relaxation and tanning. Its integrated headrest provides superior comfort for extended lounging. If you are seeking a personal oasis to soak up the sun and stay cool, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The pool is large and comfortably fits 4 adults. The built-in seats are a great feature, making it easy to relax in the water. The material is durable and seems like it will last for a long time. Number 3. Bestway CoolerZ Tropical Breeze Party Island. Introducing the Tropical Breeze Party Island, your ultimate floating oasis for fun in the sun. This spacious lounger comfortably accommodates up to 6 adults, making it perfect for gatherings with friends and family. Crafted with heavy-duty Inflate-A-Shield material, this float is designed to resist punctures and stretching. You can rely on its superior stability for endless enjoyment on the water. Experience ultimate relaxation with built-in, extra-wide pillow rests that transform into comfy chairs. Strong side handles and grab ropes also make it easy to maneuver and transport. Beat the heat with the detachable sunshade, offering ample protection from the sun's rays. The mesh floor area allows you to dip your feet in the water, keeping you refreshed. This giant lake float comes with everything you need for a perfect day out. It features 6 cup holders and a portable cooler bag to keep your refreshments close by. Whether you're hosting a beach party or simply seeking a relaxing escape, this inflatable island is your go-to choice. Enjoy swimming, lounging, and making memories with loved ones. What we like? This is the ultimate floating party hub for groups. It comfortably accommodates multiple people and comes with convenient features like cup holders and a cooler bag. If you love hosting gatherings on the water and want a spacious, feature-rich option for friends and family, this is the one. What people say. The pool is large and comfortable, with built-in seats that make it easy to relax. Easy to set up and inflate, perfect for a quick dip on a hot day. The durable material ensures it will last for multiple seasons. Number 2. TRC Recreation Splash Foam Pool Float. Experience ultimate relaxation with this premium foam float. Its superior buoyancy and durable construction ensure all-day comfort by the pool. Relax in style thanks to the integrated roll pillow. It cradles your head and neck, providing extra comfort for a great floating experience. Cleanup is simple with its easy clean waterproof coating. For longer life, store it flat and dry, and clean with soap and water. This spacious float offers plenty of room for solo relaxation. It's perfect for lounging by the pool, lake, or beach. TRC Recreation is a leading innovator in recreational products. Enjoy their exceptional water and outdoor recreational items. What we like. Experience luxurious comfort with this thick foam lounger. The integrated pillow adds an extra layer of support for ultimate relaxation. If you prioritize comfort, durability, and easy maintenance for your poolside lounging, this premium float is an excellent selection. What people say. The pool is very sturdy and holds its shape well. The seats are comfortable and provide good back support. It's spacious enough for 2 adults to relax comfortably. Number 1. Grip-A-Pool 3-in-1 Kiddie Pool. Meet Grip-A-Pool, the innovative 3-in-1 inflatable pool designed for fun and safety. It's perfect for kids and adults alike, offering a secure and enjoyable water experience. Our unique design features patent-pending grip handles, providing extra balance and stability. These handles also double as a kickboard, aiding in swim training and water confidence. Enjoy splashing with its soft, cushioned, anti-slip floor, ensuring comfort for kids and a relaxing space for adults to sunbathe. It's designed for both play and relaxation. Measuring approximately 65 by 39 by 10 inches when inflated, it comfortably fits up to 3 small children. It's also ideal as a compact tanning pool for adults. Inflating and deflating is a breeze with our high-end quick-release valve, compatible with various pumps or manual inflation. It sets up in minutes, making it perfect for vacations. Help children overcome water fears and build independence. This pool is excellent for improving motor skills, coordination, and balance, making learning to swim more efficient and fun. What we like. This pool is innovatively designed to enhance water confidence, especially for children. The unique grip handles provide extra stability and can even be used for swim training. If you have children who are learning to swim or are a bit hesitant in the water, this pool offers a safe and confidence-building environment. What people say. The pool is very sturdy and holds its shape well. The seats are comfortable and provide good back support. It's large enough for multiple adults to relax in without feeling cramped. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.